In front of me is SONY Xperia 1.2, and let me show you how to change video quality, how to change video resolution on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the camera app, then find and pick the video mode, so smoothly switch it by tapping on the camera icon, select the settings, and here you will notice video size. So if you would like to change it, mark this option, and for example you can apply 4K resolution, just mark it, and now you can record in this video mode. Obviously you can pick whichever you would like to apply, so if you would like to have full HD with 60 FPS, just mark it, or just HD, but I will stay with 4K, and now you can easily record in this video mode. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.